In this segment, we will be discussing WHMIS symbols, including symbols, examples, associated hazards, and handling information. Why are WHMIS symbols important? WHMIS symbols are used on products to help the user identify the potential hazards associated with a product. WHMIS symbols help avoid injury and/or death by allowing the user to know the necessary personal protective equipment, also known as PPE, required and/or cleanup techniques while using the product or in the event of a spill. Compressed gas. Examples: oxygen cylinders in hospitals. Associated hazards. Gas under pressure. Heat may cause container to explode. May explode if dropped. Handling information. Keep away from sources of heat or possible ignition. Handle with care. Store in designated areas. Container should be tightly secured. Flammable and combustible material. Examples: white phosphorus, a solid; acetone, a liquid; butane gas. Associated hazards. May catch fire or explode if exposed to heat. May burst into flames or release flammable gas on contact with water. Handling information. Keep away from heat, combustible materials, and oxidizing materials. Do not smoke. Keep in a dry and cool container, and store in designated fireproof area. Oxidizing material. Examples: inorganic peroxides, sodium hyperchlorite, perchloric acid. Associated hazards. May cause fire or explosion in presence of flammable or combustible material. May burn skin or eyes upon contact. Handling information. Keep away from combustible materials. Wear proper protective equipment and clothing. Use only in well-ventilated areas. Materials causing immediate or serious toxic effects. Examples: methanol, sodium cyanide, some paint thinners, sulfuric acid. Associated hazards. May be fatal if inhaled, swallowed, or absorbed through skin. May burn eyes or skin upon contact. Handling information. Handle with extreme caution. Avoid contact with skin or eyes. Wear proper protective equipment. Wash thoroughly after use. Materials causing other toxic effects. Examples: asbestos, a carcinogen; acetone, an irritant. Associated hazards. Poisonous but not immediately dangerous to health. Repeated exposure may cause death or permanent injury, may cause cancer, birth defects, or sterility. Handling information. Handle with extreme caution. Avoid contact with skin or eyes. Wear proper protective equipment. Wash thoroughly after use. Biohazardous infectious material. Examples: Salmonella bacteria specimen, blood samples. Associated hazards. May cause serious disease resulting in death or illness. Handling information. Avoid contamination. Handle only while using proper personal protective equipment. Corrosive material. Examples: battery acid and lye. Associated hazards. Causes severe skin and eye irritation upon contact. Prolonged contact causes severe tissue damage, may eat through metal. Handling information. Avoid skin and eye contact. Wear all necessary personal protective equipment and clothing. Avoid inhaling. Dangerously reactive material. Examples: some cyanides and vinyl acetate. Associated hazards. Very unstable, may react with water to release toxic or flammable gas, may explode as a result of shock, friction, or an increase in temperature. Handling information. Keep away from heat. Do not drop. Sources.